Hi guys, TISS have put on hold admission process to their main flagship MA program following the Bombay High Court order. So the order came when 49 students have filed the petition saying that the admission process was biased and discriminative. Yeah, so let's check out the report. After this, I'll talk about the TISS admission process as well, so that those who are planning to give the exam this year, they'll understand the complete program for the TISS. Many points have been raised by the students. Point number one which they have raised is that the marks scored by the Mumbai campus students, those who have their GDB in Mumbai campus, have been lower when as compared to students who scored more marks in the interview held in the other three campuses. So TISS have 4 campuses. So students who are in the other campuses have scored more marks than the people who are in the Bombay campus. They also claimed that the student who appeared for their PI online got more marks than who took the interview offline. So the student who took their interviews online. So see, all these things happening because of corona virus. The processes have been changed. Same thing happened in KBIMS as well. So in fact 18th of August is a major date. 3 major colleges, IIM Ahmedabad, Jamnal Bajaj and TISS. Court case hearing is on 18th of August. So tomorrow we'll come to know what happens to their process and how it will be impacted to the future students. The petition also pointed that the instant the students who were allocated seats in the wrong category, while some aspirants marked absent even though they were there. So all these technical issues they have put on hold. According to the TISS, they have already rectified all the changes in their report. According to one of the officials from the college, without being identified obviously, so that the changes in the process were made due to the pandemic have been duly notified. There was a inadvertent error obviously at the input level from the marks of the personal interview for the 3 programs, which have been rectified, and admitting additional candidates, this have been notified. So according to the college, they already have done all these things. So let's wait and watch what happens on August 18th when the hearing will happen. Look at this TISS sheet. So this is the main sheet from the TISSNet main sheet which we have made. So TISS General Awareness, Maths, LR and English, 3 sections, 40 questions, 30 questions, 30 questions. Verbal and quant ka level is very simple. So those who joined our program or those who are planning to join us, only if you're doing the classes, just attending the classes for the verbal and quant, you can easily clear the cutoff. Yeah, main problem is going to be GK. So cetkking.com/GK, we are updating the GK every month. So the monthly PDF is available there. You can check out and download the PDF and go through the PDF every month, number one. And then in your login ID, we have made the videos for the static GK. So that is the current affair, and the static GK videos are in your login ID. So these 2 things will help you to clear the cutoff. Target score is 75 for the TISSNet exam. And then of course after TISSNet, there is a TISSMAT exam as well, which is very similar to the same kind of a pattern but with negative marking. So RC 15 question, DI 15 marks and GK another 15 marks. So 45 mark a paper which you have to attempt after TISSNet on the same day. So in case you want to join our program, we are going to cover up all the preparation, all the topics of the TISSNet exam. Okay. Go to a link, cetkking.com/TISS. You'll find the complete information about the TISS exam and the various courses at TISS. So cutoff wise, HR, the main program, 75 is a normal cutoff. If the paper becomes very easy, the cutoff can also go up to 81. Last year, cutoff was 81 because GK section was very simple. TISS complete admission process, complete admission is decided by GK. Whoever scores well in GK can crack TISS. So we've got another 4 months ka time from today, 5 months ka time from today to the TISS exam. Exam going to happen in the first week of January along with the that exam. So everyone can apply that. TISS is a MA program, not MBA program, because of the fact that the legacy continue with the name MA. Yeah, TISS can also change the name to MBA, but for the years and years hundreds only. For the years they have been using the word MA, so they continued with the same name MA. Otherwise, it's a complete management program. Alright. So any more questions you have, you can ask in the comment box or go to the link cetkeen.com/test. You can find out the details. All the best.